3-bedroom flat, northwest face, roadside facing flat, ready to occupy, brand new flat. Bedroom with good ventilation, common bathroom, and another children's bedroom, northeast face with balcony. Roadside facing balcony, common balcony with good atmosphere and visitor parking available. With kitchen and 100% vastu with wash area. And master bedroom with attached bathroom.